So good morning, Sunday 6 September. I am in Slovenia. I have already overcome the 5,000 kilometers, and I am in a ranch Velka. Here the phone works and doesn't work, depends. However, yesterday I passed the border from Austria to Slovenia, and so now we are in the 14th country on 16, so are missing Italy and Greece. Today is a good day. Let's hope that will not start to rain in the afternoon. And I also overcame the 5,000 kilometers. Now there is a dog here. and nothing. Today I'm going in the direction of Celje. Let's hope that the path will be normal, because yesterday was really up and down with 2 or 3 points, completely impossible to manage. In one point, Google brought me in a street and I had to detach the trailer because it was too steep. In the other two, I kept on with the bicycle, but it was really too much. Let's see what will be, and for the people of Bologna, we will see each other next Saturday at 5 p.m. at the Nettuno statue. Okay, is when I should arrive in Bologna. So goodbye for now, and have a good one. Okay, ciao.